Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a bar chart in Google Sheets. Alright, first of all, open your Google Sheets app on your phone. Then you have to prepare your data like this. And here I have prepared my data, and I'm going to make a chart from the name column right here, and also score column. Alright, and if we want to make a bar chart, we have to select the column that we want to make a bar chart, and we can tap and hold on the column like this. Then after that, we can click on this plus button. Just click on plus button and choose chart option right here. Alright, and wait for a moment. And if you want to create a bar chart, you can change the type of the chart by clicking on this option. Click on it, then scroll down your screen until you find bar chart, and it's right here. You can choose the bar chart that you like, and I'll go with this one. Alright. And we can put legend to our chart, and we can also put titles right here. Just click on the title, and you can add the chart title by clicking on chart title. And for example, I'm going to add score to my title, and we can click on update title, and we can also put horizontal axis title by clicking on horizontal axis title right here. And I'm going to put score, and for the vertical axis title, I'm going to put name. Alright. Okay guys, that's how we can make a bar chart in Google Sheets app. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.